Hey y'all, come with me to the dollar store to purchase some balloons to try to attempt to make a balloon garland. So I got a 20 pack of pink, red, and white, and I just went in with my balloon blower and blew them all up. I decided to use only 10 from the pack just because I normally get the multi-size garlands when I order them online. But this time, since I went to the dollar store, they were all the same size. So I wanted to see how I could complete a garland. This is the garland string that you can purchase from the dollar store, and you're going to blow. After you blow your balloons up, you're going to just hook them into the string and then slide them down to lock them in. So I decided to go with 5, 5, and 5. And the design I just did was the red, pink, and white. And normally, like I said, I get the different sizes, so it kind of helps fill out the garland a little bit more. With them all being the same size, it didn't turn out the way I like it to be, but I did include some pictures so that you could see how they normally turn out. But overall, I did enjoy doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching.